Hey y'all, I've got a cool topic that I just really wanted to talk about. Are you on your back or are you on your side? Are you on your own back or are you on your own side? So let's talk about what does it look like to be on your own back. Are you on your own back? I admit I had a habit for a long time that I've worked on with my coach, being on my own back, saying things like, I shouldn't have done that. I was stupid. I'm an idiot. I'm wasting time. Wasting my potential. It's one of my favorites. I'm not good enough. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't deserve this. I'm crazy. Why am I like this? I'm broken. I don't understand myself. Stop doing that. Don't eat that. Eat this. Don't do that. Do that. Don't lay around. Do this. You should be punished. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve that. You can't have that. You don't want that. That's not what you want to be doing. This is not how you do that. This isn't acceptable. This isn't what good people do. This isn't what you would do if you had your act together. That is not. That is on your back or on your butt, riding yourself. Um, just not, being really hard, and it's just like, there's this part of you that's irritated with the other part. Ah! If it was an emotion, it'd be like, ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Come on! Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah! 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 That's being on your back. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Beat you up. Do it. Do what I say. Do what's only good for you. Now, on your side, what's on your side? It's like, you're not wrong. It's like, it's okay. Yeah, you played a video game. Great. Yeah, you ate that. Awesome. I'm with you. You're okay. You are not broken. There is wisdom in that. That was smart. It's like, yeah, resting is good. Are you resting on your laurels, or am I just resting? If I did something, it was supposed to happen. Not if I don't do something, I wasn't supposed to do it. The timing is great. What if the timing is perfect? But I said that I wanted to go out for a run today, and I didn't. So, but are you going to be on your back about it or on your side? It wasn't time to go on a run. What you did instead, it was good. It's okay if you wanted to read a book. It's okay if you want to lay down. It's okay if you want to take a nap. It's okay if you want to hang out with people. It's okay if you want to talk with a friend. It's okay if you want to play with your kids. It's okay if you want to make dinner. It's okay if you want to just snack. It's okay if you daydreamed, or if you wander off, or you didn't know what was going on for a little bit. And that's okay. You always have a choice to change it. But nothing you did was wrong. You have a choice. Well, do you want to go on a run now? Do you want to write? Do you want to go on the computer? Do you want to play with your kids now? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to apply for new jobs? Do you want to do that paperwork? Do you want to pay your bills? Do you want to do it now? But it's not wrong, whatever you've already done. Everything in your past is right. That's being on your side. Being your own best friend. How does a best friend? They'll be like, it's okay, don't worry about it. That's the kind of things they say. Ah, I made a really bad decision. No, it's okay. Everything's all right. It wasn't that bad of a decision. Maybe it was a good decision. Yeah, but I said I was gonna, go to that party and I never made it there. Maybe that's okay. Maybe there was some wisdom in that. I'm gonna keep saying that phrase again. Maybe there was wisdom. Maybe that was brilliant. Maybe that was genius. That's being on your side. Let me know if you can relate to this. It can be a habit. Why are you on your back? Because it's a habit. And there's lots of reasons why it started, but you keep doing it just because it's a habit. And you can make a habit to be on your side, to be your own best friend, to be your cheerleader, to treat yourself well. If I am being hard on myself, then be on my side and be like, it's okay. You can always bring in that being on your side. It's never too late. You can be aware if I'm like, okay, I was on my back. Now I choose to be off my back. And now I'm going to choose to be on my side and be back on my side. And you can uplift yourself. You can actually make yourself feel better by being on your side. Thank you. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching.